Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Nigerian medias, when you see the news, say it the way it is. You see Vanguard newspaper yesterday, they called Simon Ekpa. You see, I love Simon Ekpa. Give them, I want you to do this thing. I don't know if someone is going to watch this video. Always give them audience. You know how to talk. If the media call you for Nigeria, give them audience and speak, bro. Give them audience and speak. Tell them the truth. None of them can surpass you in arguments. I know that. Give them audience. It's a good one. You see, okay, I believe people are still coming because the day is still early. People are still coming. They are still coming. They are not complaining because there's no electricity. They are not complaining because there's no good road. They are not complaining because they are hungry. They are not complaining because there is no clothes. They are complaining because of future occurrences. But you and I will complain about food, stomach infrastructure. They say sit at home. Say, oh, you people are abroad. You're saying sit at home. You too, come back home and sit at home. Mugu. They tell you, say, person where they fight for freedom, they stay for house. Person where they fight for freedom, not they stay for house. Mugu people. Person where they fight for you, not they stay for house. Now you wait day home, go stay for home. People who fight for freedom never stay at home. Go and read history. You must be in exile to fight for the people. If you are in prison, another person will take over from you. Another person will take over from you. Anybody where they talk about Simon Ekpa is taking over Mnk'S, yes, he has to take over because the man is in prison. Mnk'S is in prison, is locked up. Somebody must take over. Somebody must talk. This in Finland, he's enjoying himself. You know, go enjoy himself, he go kill himself. You want to see him suffering. Huh? A freedom fighter must look tattered. He mustn't wear nice because he's wearing suit all the time. He lives in a very nice house. They are jealous. He's been living in his house before he joined the agitation. On the road, they're quiet too. Sorry, Slaker. As you can see, I forgot to show you guys the truck. As you can see, even this side, the truck, they use the truck to block the road from this side. From the other side, the truck, that means the truck drivers also joined the strike for today. So that's what I think I see now. The road, they're quiet too. The road is very quiet. They block everywhere. Everywhere is blocked. Yeah, this is sit at home. Don't come to work. Do you see anybody shooting? I said this is sit at home here. This is the same thing as sit at home. Or disobedience. Civil disobedience. Nigeria. Most of them were they against Biafra. Aturu kunubu. Neku Israel. Sit at home because of the government implementation. This is nothing less than sit at home, right? They block all the road. Only open another way. When I go the day they chop each other leg. Anybody where you follow talk say they go tell you say yes. We know they go walk. Yes, we know they go walk. Those of you where they follow me, I know they see them all the time. When I know they see them where they go full street. Now because I know they show now for night every Saturday. Every Saturday this place they full from up there, from my house to reach all this place every Saturday night for the past 6 months. People still they come out to see. You know, they see people they are still coming out. People are still coming out. The weather is 30-something degree, almost 40 degree, but they still come out say we no go gree, we no go gree. I never see a country where we say you'll be suffering and smiling. And somebody will tell you, some people are outside telling control. Yes, Simon Ekpa will control Nigeria. Go and jump inside water. Stomach infrastructures. Waiting we go chop. He don't tell Una say next month. Abi? Not be next month he talk. He say Una go sit at home next month. Go up now, stomach infrastructure. Go and look for food where you go chop. If you sick now, hospital no fit take care of you for free. But you still dey cry. All the generator where your neighbor generator and your generator. All the carbon where they come out of your neighbor generator and your own. Don't worry, in the next 5-6 years, you go understand, say, khaki no be leather. You not go no say khaki no be leather. That's pollution of air where they enter your lung. Now when you become sick, you don't see money to cure yourself for hospital, you go no. Say, Nigeria go happen to you. I'm telling you the truth. That's the honest truth. My mouth not the wear pampers. My mouth not the wear pampers. I go talk and the way it dey. My mouth they leak. My mouth they leak, and I go tell you the truth the way it is. Say make una sit at home. Simon Ekpa is staying in Finland with his wife, with his children. He dey enjoy sit at home. But Mugu, they go tell una make una go dey pray. Now prayer go fix the country. Prayer and fix nothing. Prayer cannot fix nothing. Successful is work. If you want to be successful in life, you need to work. Work. You need to be intelligent. You need to be mentally fit and strong. Thinking. Critical thinking. You think about future. What do I do? What can I use these resources to do? This tree where they in front of me. Waiting I fit take this tree produce. We go benefit others. Una own na we take area. We take area. We go China go bring corn. We will not fit produce on your own. Una get oil and gas. Una still they go borrow money. If we talk, somebody go come here, come say, talk about. You can't talk about people that are crying for help. We are crying for help. Say all of una keep quiet means that another person go keep quiet. We are not gonna keep quiet. Let me tell you. Let me tell you something for free. If you are under the government, you are police, you are army. Whether you be police or you be army, you dey work under any military. Let me tell you, IPOB is a networking. Very strong networking all over the world. There's no country in the world that there's no IPOB. Anybody where you take today, another person, another person will go come out and go past Simon Ekpa. Yeah, Simon Ekpa is not going down anyway. But I'm just telling you for free. Mazina Mikano, you people took down. You think it's gonna be? It can't be bone. We don't know if it vomit them. We don't know if it swallow the bone. That's so it be. Oh, I love Simon so much. Do you know why? Before Simon starts, he go to Finland. Simon is a politician, he's a lawyer, he's a Finland lawyer. And he served in the military. And he's a reserve military. He's also a sniper. As he does so, anything must not do Simon for their eyes, because Simon are their special reserve soldier. We say, a sniper will be for them. Before he start this agitation, he carry in document, go meet them, in fellow politicians, say, hey, I want to fight for Nigeria. They say, yes, we know about Biafran war. We know about the Igbos. The history is here. The open book for them, show and say, yes, we know about this. If you want to go and fight for them, go ahead. They give him go ahead. You cannot rendition Simon Ekpa. It's not possible. Oyibo can never betray. They will never do that. $500,000. You go see somebody will go come carry Simon Ekpa, put inside nylon bag, come send give una. Nigerian government with their mumu, mumu people. IPOB is a networking, strong networking. Oyibo people, they see us, they watch our videos. Yes, we are doing the right thing. We are doing the right thing. It's the freedom. It's the same thing they are doing here. You think Israel government is going to say, oh, come and arrest that Solomon? There's one guy in that country that is talking about, is causing problem. They are watching my video. They are going to watch the video. What is the problem he's causing? He's talking. What is the problem? It's causing problem for what? This is not a problem. He's talking. It's my right. It's my democratic right to criticize the government. Same thing goes here. You see, everybody is sit at home. See, sit at home. Nobody cross here. They block the road with their truck. They block and say, sit at home. Don't pass here. Not the police block them. Now the people block and say, it's my right. I don't want you to pass here because I don't want to make government get money today. Today, you not go get money. When they say sit at home, all of una atoro. When I will go there, they cry. It's stomach infrastructures. Mosquito won't kill all of una. See una road there. See Enugu State. See Enugu Road. See road for Enugu as it be. Dust everywhere. Mosquito go they bite una gutter. See all the dirty for everywhere. People when no they accurate. See where they put their own dirty. See them. When I see them, now their own dirty in a corner they go put them. Government go come carry them. All of una road, gutter. As they waka, so on top of gutter they waka. They go put their gutter underground so that mosquito no go full everywhere. Una own, they go to tell una say Nigeria go better. No worry. Make una no worry. Nigerian government, if una sabi something, negotiation is the best. Make una negotiate with our oga dem. Negotiate with our oga dem. They say, I no go green. Now they tear trouser for back. Una trouser they tear for back. Una don't know say una they shame una self. All those military. Okay, una see the block. Una see the blockage. Yeah, na truck block. As he block, police presence still there. If you check the other side, you go see say na truck still block that side. Una see truck where they that side. He blocked that road. Why the police no go beat the truck driver? Why police no go beat this truck driver? Everybody on the streets understand that yes, they are fighting for their people. The people that are doing it, they are fighting for their rights. Yeah, it's kind of disturbing, but they don't have a choice. Now see all these things. Now Saturday they use them. You see all these things where they here. Now Saturday they use them. They go block all this place on Saturday evening. Make sure they play loud to the government. You see, I'm now small picking. Okay, this one not be small picking self. Now adult, all of them they be like say they go. All of them no gather one place today because this place used to be filled. You know, see another truck there. Make I the zoom and make una the see am. Mumu people wait there for Nigeria. Ndi Enugu, Ndi Ebonyi, Ndi Anambra. All of una where be say una they cry say sit at home. See am. These people sit at home today. Nobody go walk. You see the truck there. He blocked the road, nobody they pass. You see this one here, he blocked road, nobody they pass. You see the other one there, he blocked road, nobody they pass. They said today, no trading here. This place now where government they make money, where? This place now where government they make money. The target where government they make money said today no work here, we not go work here, sir. Doctors join them today. Doctors join them today on strike. They are not forcing anybody. Those who decide to come out will come out. That's how it works. You decide to carry the flag, carry the flag. So, when I say I go kill the spirit of Biafra, let me tell you, when I know if we kill the spirit of Biafra. You see, I don't want to talk about it, but that spirit of my ancestors is pushing me. The spirit of my ancestors is pushing me to talk. If other people are quiet, they talk the truth. Solomon, talk the truth. Don't keep it. They are not crying for infrastructure. Look at the infrastructure. Now people they live here. This one not be office. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 houses they near each other. They are not fighting. Say electricity no day. Nobody go feel live for this place if electricity no day. 24 hours electricity. Good road. See the road now. I don't see the road. They never finish them. When I see they never finish this road, as he said so. They never put flowers here. They never put flowers here because this road they never finish. Not be waiting that they cry for. They are only crying for implementation law of law. Una when we say 1999 law, they suffocate all of una. 1999 law is suffocating all of you. It's suffocating all of una. Those of una where they work under the government. Those where they work under the government. 1999 constitution is suffocating you. But this one, this democracy protests where Israel they do since January. They never implement them. They never implement the constitution. But they say we no go agree. Move people. You see what thing they vex me now? Some of them where they suffer for Nigeria. Oh, come back and join us, Nigeria. Come back and fight. Ghana here I go there fight. I no go there that side. Anybody where they fight for freedom, they stay home. You no go see them for house. You must see them abroad. Now abroad you must stay. Tell you do this and do this. Sit at home. You sit at home. The government go feel and say okay. Or everybody they vex. When they put something for books, they make white black man read them. You no go read them. You no go read them. Now stomach. We they hungry. Hungry they catch us. So we want die. You say make we say Simon Ekpa puts 1 month 6 at home. Put 1 month 6 at home. Which one be 2 weeks? What will be 2 weeks? 1 month. 1 month 6 at home. That 2 weeks serve they vex me. What will be 2 weeks? 3 weeks. 4 weeks. Let the government feel it. If now your papa they put for prison like that, now your papa you go there happy. If now your brother they put there, your blood brother, you go there happy. Because of the same cause, in papa and mama die. Same time, they bury them same day. A chief for that matter. A chief. Now thunder go fire anybody where they against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you there for this Israel, they against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because he's fighting for the democratic of you. Thunder go fire. That money where they make sense, you no go sweet you. Yes, I'm saying it, whether you be pastor or you not be pastor. If you are against democracy, you are not supposed to be in this country. You there for Israel, you wrong, come this country, come there, enjoy. You see the democracy as it's sweet. Somebody fought for this, somebody died for it. If you dare America, they against IPOB. You dare against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That money where they make, you no go spend them well. Because that America fought for their own democracy as well. And you are enjoying it and say somebody else, what is doing is wrong. It's not wrong. International community never condemned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. International community never condemned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He was a free man. He win the case. Then why are you condemning him? You think it's magic? Mugu. So they say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu created ESN. In the same constitution in Nigeria says if somebody picks stone to beat you, you too pick stone. If somebody picks stick to beat you in Nigerian constitution, he say an eye for an eye. Make una go reach Nigerian constitution now. If somebody carry stone, one beat you, you too carry stone. If somebody carry AK-47, carry AK-47. That is what the constitution says, an eye for an eye. That ESN where that man creates, they no fit take and rope him. If you go through the law, because before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu creates that ESN, he tell the government, say, please make una create security where we say you go protect the people. Now so that they kill, they rape our sisters. They no fit do anything. When he create, they come, they look for a bag. Oh, if you bag, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu create. All of una they treat yourself mosquito bites every week. You must go to hospital for malaria. Every week you must eat. You must take injection. Every week you must take malaria medicine. You must have malaria symptom. As una they take that malaria symptom where they come from west, una they get kidney problem. Una they get kidney failure. All of una body they damage. Una no kukuma get better hospital. Where una go take treat una self. But when people are liberating you people, that you must go back to the history. You people don't want to listen. They are using you against us. The soldiers, where they see so that they suffer past us. All these soldiers, where they carry gun, give, may they go southeast, go kill. Now all of them are Mugu now, they don't get hungry people. Hungry soldiers. When they retire now, how much be their retirement money? Yeah, that is if some of them see their retirement money. Make one soldier die now, in wife, they don't forget in wife. All those Mugu where they go fight for East. All those Mugu soldiers where they go fight. Once you are down, your family is gone. They will not take care of your family. All your children will suffer. I'm not asking you not to fight for the government. That's what you signed for. But just be careful. You must know that the law in Nigeria say an eye for an eye. If you pick Okute, I must pick Okute. Let me tell you something, guys. It is not a crime because all of them move. You go see all this TV station in Nigeria, all this media, they go say, Simon Ekpa is causing a problem. But the law, they are not reading the law loud. Read it loud as it is. If somebody come your house, say he won't find you, you too ready to find the person back. Now what in the law say? If the person carry bottle, carry bottle. Oh, the law no go work for Mazinam the Kanu. You go work for now. Some idiots there this country where they say they are not supporting the IPOB. Some idiot there for this country, for America, for Europe, all of them are no support. But somebody fought for that democracy of that country that you are. You say they are causing mayhem. Nobody is causing mayhem. It's the government that is causing mayhem. Bring out the people that are agitating and negotiate something with them. Is that a crime? Don't worry. We're going to tell the truth the way it is. So, me, my mouth not a weird pampas. I don't carry guns. I don't know how to use guns. I don't like violence. I don't support violence. But I will not tell somebody not to defend themselves. If somebody attack me now, I will have to defend myself. That's what the law. Defend yourself. If somebody wants to attack you now, defend yourself. I'm not supporting violence. I'm not even supporting war. The last thing I want to happen in Nigeria is war. I don't want war. I don't want it. That is the last thing I want. And the last thing I don't want. War. A lot of people will go down, and which is not okay. Let's negotiate. Talk to us. Talk to the agitators. Let us level down. Are you giving us referendum? Or what? Bring out the man called Mazinam Kanu. He is the voice of the voiceless. Whether you like it or not, 99.99% of people in Southeast Nigeria, Biafra land, support Mazinam Kanu. We listen to him. He is the leader of the people, IPOB. Take it or leave it. You guys have made my day. I work out from far away. I don't make my day with that too. Because his body is very hot right now. You see? Omo, this is sit at home. I think that is what I'm going to title this video. Sit at home in Israel. Yes, I'm going to title it Sit at Home in Israel. Ohaneze Ndigbo, stop wasting your time. It's too late. The networking of IPOB is very large. Imitonya, onye ozaputa. Imitonya, onye ozaputa. And onye gaputa na chundunu. Oga bikunu, oga fiaku na aro. Ndi Ohaneze Ndigbo, ma Igbo governors. Simon Ekpa is a very nice guy. Simon Ekpa is not after your lives. You must know that. Don't think that those police and soldiers where they follow now. It only takes everybody to sleep. I won't tag it. People outside are very intelligent, but they don't. This guy don't want to do all those things. Even people are putting pressure on him to do that. He said no. Everybody don't have to agree because they are the government. They don't have to agree. We don't have to go after their life. I don't even do anything. Let's say, for example, now, Mazi Simon Ekpa is not there, for example. Another person will go come now, do this one now. These people don't even understand how this thing works. You bring another person, the person is going to be more brutal. Negotiation. Bring out that man called Mazinam Kanu. What is wrong? What did they there? All the Fulani people will be say them be terrorists. They release them. Put them inside, carry them, join military. But your own brother, how fool? How long are we going to be fools? They are not saying you should follow them. Not be every South Africans really fight for freedom. Stop this. Not be everybody fight for freedom. In South Africa, not everybody that fight for freedom. There are people who actually they were like, okay, let us be managing this apartheid regime. Let us be managing apartheid. No problem, let us manage apartheid. You know? So please, I don't want anybody to tell me not to talk about politics. Please don't tell me not to talk about. Nobody, people where they send me message, stop sending me message that I should not talk about it. I'm going to talk about it until when I'm tired to talk about it, I will stop. People are suffering. I'm not a happy man. So I know some of you want to show concern. There's no way people will shut their mouth. If you decide to shut your mouth, someone else will not shut. If you think Facebook is going to close me because I'm talking about politics, you're lying. Facebook can never block me because of politics. Because the truth must be told. And if you read the community guideline on Facebook, they told you, you have your rights on Facebook to talk, agree and disagree on political doings. It's your right to talk. This is a place where your voice should be heard. That's what Facebook says. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys on next video. At least when I don't carry me reach my house, you know. I'll get to my house in the next 5 minutes. Whew. I'm sweating now like idiots. I'm sweating like idiots. Whew. Even my family is not they follow me talk any. They know how angry I am. They know they follow me talk, say make I not talk about politics. If you fear to talk, somebody must speak for you. Somebody speaks for South Africa. Somebody speaks for Israel. David Ben-Gurion speaks for Israel that you are today. Somebody speaks for England. That's why England is there today. Somebody speaks for Europe. That's why the Europeans are there today. Somebody speaks for America. That's why Americans are there today. You morons. Make una dey there, they fool on yourself for Nigeria. Say Nigeria go dey okay. No worry, make anything do that man. Make they do that man. They can make they do that man anything. And I go see how una go carry una Ghana must go. If anything happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all of una now Ghana must go. Una not go to remember una private jet. Una not go remember una private jet. Now una Ghana must go. Una go remember. Una go see. Make anything happen to that man. That man now our Jesus Christ. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our Jesus Christ, our Savior. Whether you like it or not. If anything happen to them, hey, che. That Abuja where una dey, anyway, make una dey and Abuja una dey live, sha. Ohanes and Igbo, they don't live in East, they live in Abuja. Anything must not do that man. Release the man. Sit down and negotiate, talk with the people. Thank you very much.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.